the Kettle's On is Mary Janet McDonald's third and final cookbook. CTV's Katie Kelly caught up with the Cape Breton sensation and her co-author daughter Margie for a taste.
How lucky am I to get to, for the very first time, meet the Queen of Cape Breton, Mary Janet McDonald, known for her cinnamon buns and so much more. How are you?
Oh, I'm very happy right now.
I'm very happy too, and you've got a guest with you. Introduce your friend for me.
This is my lovely daughter and co-author, Margie McDonald.
Hello.
Hi, Margie. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So you mentioned co-author, so you're releasing your third cookbook.
Correct.
It's out now, and it's called Come In, the Kettle's On. So tell me about this one, because this is pretty special.
This one has a collection of 39 grandmas from around the Maritimes and 2 grandpas. And we went around to every one of their homes around the Maritimes and cooked with them, visited with them, and most of them met us at the door outside and said, "Come in." So the title reflects "Come In, the Kettle's On."
That's so special, so cool, and it's so maritime, so
Yes.
very maritime.
Yes.
And I know you were a big part of this. You traveled around with her as well, and it was because of you that this whole thing started to begin with, because you're the one who convinced her to do that very first cinnamon roll video. Am I right?
Yes, I was out in Alberta, and it was during the pandemic, and we were all missing home, and I suggested to Mom, go live on Facebook and we'll make some cinnamon rolls just for the visit amongst ourselves. And the rest is history. Here we are.
It sure is. So I had the opportunity to do a little baking with you today. We made this beautiful fudge. Tell me a little bit about this specific recipe.
Well, this is an easy recipe, a microwavable fudge, but what I love about it, it is so much like old-fashioned fudge. It's a beautiful, tasty recipe, and you've tried it and you liked it, right? And it is the result of a fan of Tunes Wooden Spoons who came from Ontario and were visiting with me at the table, and her son, Gerry, talked about how he liked to make fudge for his children's teams and stuff like that. And so he wrote the recipe down on a little piece of paper, and I thought, microwave fudge, I'm not sure. And it is amazing.
Can confirm. Can confirm. It's fantastic. How proud are you of this lady? I know you're one of 7 kids, but it must be pretty cool to see what she's been up to.
We are all very proud of Mom. She lives a life of service and doesn't say no to much. And she brings people together, and that's why we're so proud of her.
She sure does. So Come In, the Kettle's On. It's available now. I know people can go to the Tunes and Wooden Spoons website, as well as your Facebook page, where you're always on there doing something, so people can find you there. And just name 5 or 6 things. What will you find in this cookbook?
You'll find, I'm a basic baker, cook, so you'll find quick meals and recipes. You'll find dips and easy sides. You'll find muffins, loaves, breads, and lots of cookies and lots of sweets and desserts. Lots of categories there that I think something for everybody.
And most importantly, lots of love.
Lots of love, for sure.
Well, I love you both. It's so great to get to meet you both in person, and congratulations on yet another cookbook, Mary Janet
Thank
McDonald.
you so much. My pleasure, and it's so lovely to meet you.
So nice to meet you.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
I can feel the love, and I did get to meet the ladies, and I just adore them. By the way, Mary Janet McDonald is doing a book signing tomorrow in Antigonish at the $5 to $1 store from 6 until 8 p.m. That, again, is tomorrow in Antigonish. And you can go to her Facebook page or the website for Tunes and Wooden Spoons for more info about the cookbook and appearances and so on. By the way, she gave me a piece of that fudge. It's the best fudge I've ever had.